What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be taking apart this computer. I am currently 11 and I'm trying to prove a point that 11-year-olds can work on computers. So let's get to it.
Lena and I split up shortly after he was born and stayed friends, but have been less comfortable since she married Eric 4 years ago. We have had disagreements. I don't approve of certain things they've been doing and I think I spoiled them, but until recently, we managed to keep things simple. Marcus is a great kid and I love him. He's smart, funny, and caring, and he's taught me so much about being a human. Having him saved my life and
We'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the power connectors disconnected from it. And let's just lift this up. Oh, I forgot about this thing. My bad. Let's put that over there. That's our hard drive and disk drive. Plug 8-pin power connector, 4-pin power connector back here. I'll do that later. And let's get our graphics card real quick. Our GT1030, there that is. And now our memory, aka RAM. And now just gotta move her to there, disconnect the SATA slot thingies. I forgot their name, but I know they're SATA related. This is not my first time taking apart this PC, so I know my ways around this thing. Did I forget to plug this in? Or unplug this? No. And the little switch thingy. Come on. What the hell? We'll be right back. There we go, I got it unplugged. And that should do it. Got that out. Take out the extra bracket. That thingy right there. And screw the holder thingy for it. Got that thing out. I'm gonna unplug the two Molex connector, and nah, I don't think that's a Molex connector. It looks like it. Don't know what that is. It looks like a SATA or whatever. It does look like a Molex connector, but it's probably not. And this is probably like a P4. I don't know what that means. P4. This is a SATA port. SATA port. SATA line. Not SATA port. We'll get this fan out. I'll get this fan out real quick, so I don't have to deal with that. They were convenient with these little anti-vibration little cuffs for the fan. Now that I got the fan out, I can work on. Let's go work on the CPU real quick. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for this. So I'm gonna put camera right here. Check it right here. I think that could do. Disconnect the fan header. Dang, how many things did I forget to put back in here? I have not powered on this PC yet after my last teardown, so I don't know if this thing works or not. I'm just gonna think it works because I believe in myself. Focus. Focus, camera. Now I want to see something cool. There we go, got the CPU out. This is an Intel i5 400? 4000? Sorry, I didn't know what I was saying. And now 4-pin power connector. I thought I did that, but I didn't. So, fan thing, air duct. Now we can move all this stuff. Go. And now, let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, screws in this thing. So unplug this. Speaker. Come on, Mr. Speaker. Come on, Mr. Speaker. Come on, Mr. Speaker. There we go. Oh, look at that. I forgot to unconnect the speaker. Or disconnect the speaker. There we go. Got that speaker out. And now we can start working on this thing. Put that in there. Alright, USB hub is now disconnected, and look at all those capacitors. Those ones are bent. I'm just gonna rebend them back. I don't know if I should be doing this, but womp womp. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew all these all this stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, it's all unscrewed. I should be able to lift it up and pull. I should probably be pulling first and then lift up. Pull, come on, hello? There we go. Add it, come on. Don't get tangled. Don't get tangled. don't like you. Ooh. There we go. It's a lot of RAM slots. We got a by 2 PCI slot and our by 4, I think. By 4 or by 6. Oh, I forgot the name of it. So, yeah. There's our whole teardown. If you'd like to subscribe, and yeah, put this thing back together. Watch me. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first thing on. Plug in the PP button. Okay, the power button. I like to call it the PP button because it's funny. Because it's just funny to say PP. Did I put that in correctly? I hope I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I don't like the sound of that. There we go. I'm glad Dell decided to cut a piece of that off, so just in case you need to put in an extra graphics card or let's say a Wi-Fi card in there, you can. And they added an extra bracket to take off. They actually thought of us. Shout out to Bring Us Studios and Lightest Tech Tips. They were very helpful during my PC thingy, or be taking apart my PC. Currently on the screen, that's Bring Us Studios. And yeah, let's get this thing together. So I am going to do the USB hub first, because that sounds better. Go in, okay. CPU time. It's gonna get scary. Time to get spooky. Time to get scary. Open up. And now RAM. Going ahead and just boop. And then boop. Yes, I know they're not clicking in because I'm not putting them in yet. I'm just putting them both in first and then clicking them in. It's not satisfying when it don't click. I'm pretty sure that's in. Yep, that's in. Now hide that. Because I don't like you. Hide. So just don't show yourself from existence. Because because you're a rainbow. I'm just kidding. The hell? Why can't I plug this thing in? I know it's not the wrong slot because I'm looking over this thing for like 5 years. Not actually 5 years. I just got this PC a few months ago on Christmas. I think that's in. Yeah, that's in. I forgot to screw on the motherboard. How stupid am I? I'm just kidding, I'm not stupid. I know I'm not stupid. I gotta take out the RAM again. I'm so stupid. Not really though. It's okay, some mistakes come into life. We'll go ahead and screw that in because that's going to be annoying. I don't feel like looking at that all day, so yeah, I'm just going to screw that shit in. Ignore my cussing, I'm sorry, it's a bad habit. Okay, this is just a teardown because is it a 1RF chip? What the hell? Look at that. Most fancy boards have that. I have a fancy board. Let's go. And now back to the RAM. This is 8 gig per stick times 2. Yes, I'm gonna go into BIOS and check all the ratings and shit. But so I do that. I got a game on this thing. See how it performs. Because sometimes taking apart your PC can give it a boost in performance because you're getting out all the dust and recontacting the components. I don't know. Just don't listen to me. Oh, look at that. That's the BIOS chip. Right there. BIOS chip. That thing's cool. I like that. This dude right here scares me. He scares me. Because if I do this the wrong way, I'm gonna end up with some bit pins in the motherboard. This is a pinless, a pinless CPU. It just has dies or contact points where the pins hit it, just like a regular thing, but just converted it, like they flipped it how MSI did it with their new chips. And now going on to the graphics card. It's a GT 1030, NVIDIA style. NVIDIA style, baby. NVIDIA for the team. Pretty sure I could just turn on the PC by shorting those two contacts. Right about there. Yeah, those two contacts. Probably so. also called me real fact. Yep. Alright, got that thing plugged in, that plugged in. Time for the 8-pin connector and the 4-pin. What am I doing? I have to put the speaker on too. Go. Got that. And plug speaker in. There we go. That's already struggling enough. Yes, I know the wiring job is a bad thing. I know I did a bad job on the wiring. Don't make fun of me. I'm only 11. Chew. My birthday is in like it's on the 22nd of February, so yeah, it's not that far away. I am getting another 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes of DDR3, so that would be nice. And now we're moving on to the cooler, the damn thing. God, I hate this thing. But it keeps my system alive, so yep. Sorry if the camera's tilted, I just can't find a good place to put this in here. Damn. We've been going for 23 minutes already? I didn't even realize that. Fan header connected. I wonder why they didn't connect a different wire into the 8-pin power supply. It's not actually an 8-pin anymore. Oh, wrong way. My bad. I hate this gosh darn thing. Actually, yeah, that was the right way. That was the wrong way. That was the right way. How the hell did I put this thing in? Go. Gotta get my trusty tweezers to squeeze them little things in there. This PC better work when I'm done with it. My mama's gonna be mad. She's gonna be like, why you just break the old PC? That's in there. last little stub. There we go. Hey, where'd I put that thing at? Okay, there it is. Time for this piece of junk. Like Exium? Fucking Exium? Never fucking heard of that brand ever. This SSD has probably been good for like a long time. And they had it like this when it first got shipped out. They're like, this screw was all beat up, and this screw wasn't even the size of the damn thing. And I am not replacing that because I don't feel like it. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Stupid. And I forgot to plug in the damn fan again. There we go. I got all this shit plugged in. Where's my little mullet thingy looking thing? Oh, yeah, I forgot to plug them in. Of course that's what happened, because I forgot to plug the fuckers in. Go, got that plugged in. Time for our SS or SATA cables. There we go. Alright. And we can go ahead and plug in the SSD. Most people call it a hard drive, but it's not a hard drive. It doesn't have a fucking spinning disc. Yeah, this is just a green fucking wood type thing. Ignore my cussing, guys. I'm very sorry. Alright. That should do it. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And now, we're going on to the next part. We're gonna see if this damn thing works. Gotta see if it posts. I forgot to close this thing. Close this damn thing. So come with me in my room and let's see. I gotta flip and put all this shit in there too. There. Alright, now I got everything plugged in except for the power thingy. Forgot what it's called, the power cord. And now, if we plug it in, we can see that it boots. Yeah. Call me a scientist. And now let's turn it on. Turn it on. There we go. Okay, that scared me for a second. Forgot how these damn things work. No post? No post? Hello? Are you gonna fucking post? Hey, it boots! Hey! Look at that, it's booting! It's booting! If this boots to life, if it runs in Windows, I'll know that I did a good job. It's in Windows, what the hell? just gotta play a game real quick. I choose GTA 5. Because that seems like an appropriate game for this matter. Just cover that real quick. So, I don't want anybody hacking my device. That would be really unfortunate. Running install script? What? It needs an update? Since when did it need an update? Play. No? Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta click no for it to do that. And oh yeah, I forgot it resets itself every time I disconnect the fucking SSD. Forgot that happens. Rockstar Games, please don't ban me for playing this game underage. Please don't ban me. That would be really unfortunate. You have to know my account name in the first place, so yeah. You gotta be kidding me. Never mind, I have faster internet. I forgot about that. What, are you just not gonna play? Alright, good. Good boy. Why is Spotify open? No. Close. Close. Hey, buddy. Work for me, buddy. It could. Hey, GTA 5! Let's get it! GTA 5's on the screen right now, but it's not responding. That's not good. Oh no. We're not gonna see it. Actually, we are. Alright, let's get to playing. Let's see how it plays. Hello? Is it gonna work? Huh? What? Hey! Let's go! It's actually working. It's like actually working. Look at that. It's actually working. I didn't expect this to actually run. I thought I would just cook my fish in entirely. But like, all the fans are spinning, everything's working. I did it. What that red line is an indication that I don't like it. I'm not actually using full internet capabilities. Hey! An actual 63 FPS, baby! 60 on the dot. Alright. This is good. I can tell her out. And now, it's time to go. Oh. Ow. Like my RGB keyboard. Like my RGB keyboard. The keyboard. Hey, look at that. Let's change it full screen real quick. Hold on, let's change the setting real quick. Audio. Let's do it in camera graphics. Display. Full screen. What's full screen? That's why it looks so weird. Stay in 1080p. Hey, what the hell is 1080p? It might be on here or just, yeah, I just saw it. Okay. File changes. Yes. Oh, I don't like this resolution. Apply changes. Yes. Ooh. There we go. I do see a little bit of video bleeding now and then, but it's alright. It's actually running. Look at that! It's not half bad. Oh, shit, it cut me off. It's not half bad. It's actually running. Look at that! Alright. Thank you guys today for watching today's video. I'll see you later in the next video. Bye bye. The awkward silence.